Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Govee floor lamp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to set up their Govee floor lamp with their phone. And so with it, this is going to assume that you've already assembled your floor lamp. And if you want help on how to assemble your floor lamp, I do have a video on that on this channel as well. So the first thing that you're going to do is that you're going to go into the App Store and you're going to search for Govee Home. Govee Home is Govee's innate app system that connects different Govee products together. And this is what it looks like. Afterwards, you're going to go ahead and open the app up and just sign up for an account and simply just go ahead and register if you don't have an account already. Additionally, if you're on an iPhone device, just make sure that you have Bluetooth turned on. And afterwards, let's actually go ahead and open up the Govee Home app. Now, once you open up the Govee Home app, if you haven't connected an item before, this screen should look blank. But in order to assemble or set up your Govee floor lamp, you're going to click on the plus icon on the upper right-hand corner. Then you're going to go ahead and plug in your floor lamp. So when you plug in your floor lamp, it should automatically turn on and it's going to search for nearby new devices. So this is the floor lamp that I just connected. We're going to click on add and it's going to start connecting to that floor lamp via Bluetooth. So this is where we're going to name the device name. And because I'm going to place this in my primary bedroom, I'm going to name it the area. So primary bedroom floor lamp, which might be too long actually. So we'll just put lamp, then click on done. In addition to that, just make sure that you keep the remote control as close as possible to the device. Now, once you grab your remote control, you want to make sure you press any button on the remote. Now, in addition to that, I forgot this step, but you just want to make sure that your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi. So what we're going to do is go into our settings, go into our Wi-Fi, and you do have to make sure that you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So once we're connected here, and then we go back into our homepage, it should automatically input the Wi-Fi information. We're going to click on done. And now it's going to connect our floor lamp to the Wi-Fi. And you'll see a notification that the Wi-Fi connection has been successful. And so there you have it. You've now gone ahead and set up your Govee floor lamp with the app. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.